Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete a Valorant account using a mobile device. So you want to delete a Valorant account that you don't use anymore, and you want to use a mobile device in order to do it, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to delete a Valorant account using a mobile device in a very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to delete a Valorant account using your mobile device is open a browser and go to playvalorant.com. Once you go to playvalorant.com, you land an interface like this. Now from here, what you need to do is tap on the three bars on the top right corner, then tap on the supports option, then go to support. Now once you go to the support page of Riot Games, you land an interface like this. Now here what you need to do is scroll down and select this option labeled as submit a ticket. Tap on that button. Once you tap on that option, you'll land an interface like this. Now here what you need to do is choose a request type. So what you need to choose is tap on this, then scroll down to the bottom. Then here you'll see an option labeled as account management, data request or deletion. Select that option. Once you select that option, you will be asked to sign in. So what you need to do is sign in to the account that you want to delete. So to do that, what you need to do is tap on the sign in button. Now you need to enter the credentials of the account that you want to delete, so go ahead and do that. Once you enter the credentials, click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, you will successfully sign into your account. Now you can continue the process. Now enter the subject as a request for deletion of account. Once you enter the subject, scroll down, and now what you need to do is enter the description. Now what you can write in is, I have an Valorant account which I don't use anymore, so I would like to request you to delete the account from your database. Enter that in your description. So once you enter your description, what you can do is you can attach a file from this section. If you don't want to do it, you can simply submit the ticket. So to submit a ticket, tap on the submit button. So once you tap on the submit button, your request of deletion of your account will be submitted. Now the Valorant support team will send an email, and so what you need to do is follow that email in order to successfully delete a Valorant account permanently. So those are the simple steps in order to delete a Valorant account in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.